What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your brake lights and your reverse lights. Let me show you how they looked before. So that's how the light looks, the reverse and the brakes. Now let me just show you how to replace them. Alright guys, to remove the tail light, you're gonna have to remove this bolt and the bottom one. It's a 10mm, so let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how to replace the ball back. Alright guys, this is the first time I've taken off the tail light. So I have one of these trim panel poppers. Pretty much I got a Harbor Freight for the trim. This helped because taking off the headlight for the first time is super difficult. Maybe it's like that all the time. So what I did, I put this in, started twisting it, pushing, twisting. The reason I put it in the rag so I don't scratch the paint and I don't damage the tail light. So you just put it in, start twisting it around. It should pop off, and the top one's still on. So same thing, just now you just grab it from the top, pull on it, and twist. And there we go. And here you can see it has two push pins, and here's where they're grabbing onto. Oh, let me put that back. I guess that's like some type of rubber. Kind of loose. I might have to put another piece on there, or I could just put it on the tail light over here. So I guess that's something to keep in mind. It might fall off, so it's probably so it doesn't rattle. So the next thing you want to do is grab your lights. So I'm going to be replacing the reverse light, which is the bottom one. So all you want to do is twist, pull. Here's the LEDs that I'm using. They're by SiriusLED. I've used this before and they're great. They're super bright. They last forever. I had them on my other truck and I love them. That's why I went with the same company. So what you want to do now is pull the bulb, put it off to the side. What I like doing is I like putting it in the same bag that it came in and keeping them in case I ever need to replace the light bulb back with the original one. Let's give it a little bit of force, push it in, make sure there's no water inside since I just washed it. Let me clean that off. Okay, so here's where you want to put the light bulb back in. Put it in like a little bit crooked so you could lock it back in place. Okay, so it goes like this, pointing to this thing, then just twist it and lock. I'm just gonna make sure this is straight up and down, and this one too. So I'm just gonna put it on here for now and make sure that light works. As you can see, the light is super bright. Let's compare it to the stock one. So now that it works, we're just gonna push it back in. Alright guys, so as I was saying, what you want to do is make sure this is straight up and down, lines up here, same with the top. Hopefully you can see the bottom one is black, the top one is white. So just line it up and push it back in. I'm also going to be replacing the brake light, so I'll be doing that now. For the brake light, I'm going to be using the JDM ASTAR. I believe I had the same ones on my other truck and they were super bright, so I'm gonna put them in again. So the brake light is the bottom one, so I'm gonna twist it, pull this light bulb out, put the new one in, pop it in, and lock. Then do the same, try it out and see if it works. This one we just turn on the lights and we should be able to tell. As you can see, the light works. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. And it's the same process for the other one. I'll just shoot a quick video of it, me taking it apart, and there we go. It's off. Again, check this rubber for the... So that's what I've noticed. Let me see if I can bring you in closer. Same thing as the other tail light. This one's on, and this one's all crooked. So let me try and put it back on. That's just gonna fall off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stick it on top and push it all the way down. Same thing happens at the other side. So now, same thing, just change out the light bulbs. Stick this one in and lock it. Stick it in. And lock it in. Then before you push it all the way in, lay it and make sure everything works. The reason I'm not changing the turn signal, even though I have other ones, so when the lights are off, it blinks just fine. But once I turn the lights on, it starts hyper flashing, which is flashing pretty fast. So I'm not gonna change it until later. But let's see, make sure the reverse lights and the brake lights work. As you can see, both of them work. So that's it, guys. Oh yeah, let me just show you. All it is, just push the tail light back in. Once you hear it pop, that's it, and check the lines for the bolts line up in the inside and you should be done. So here and bottom, make sure they line up, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one.